Hi, Arn. This is John, Fishhead Salad. At the end of one of your Raw Men podcasts, you made this request.
I want to talk to the people that are actually doing something to try to fix things and might actually make a difference. So please contact me however you can and let me know who you'd like me to talk to. I'd be happy to get them on.
Well, based on that, I think I got somebody for your show. I wanted to suggest Dan Courtney. You know me, I basically just make fluff videos here on YouTube. He, however, like you, is very active in the atheist community, and I think would make a great guest on your show. He's one of those guys who is actually making a difference. I am not sure if you know who he is, so I just want to give you a brief description of him. He lives in the New York area. He is a writer. He is obviously an atheist and a secularist. He is very active, politically active in his part of the country on many levels. He gave, to the best of my knowledge, the first atheist invocation at the opening of a town board meeting in the city of Greece. That's in New York, and I think he did that about a year ago or so. He has taken on the national fundamentalist group. It might be international, I'm not really sure, but it is on a national level. It's a fundamentalist group known as the Good News Club, which uses public schools during off hours as classrooms for child Christian indoctrination. He did a fantastic video expose about these people, which I strongly suggest you watch if you get a chance. I'll leave a link to it down below. He is also very active with the Young Skeptics. He might even have been a founder of this group. I'm not really sure on that. And the Young Skeptics, for lack of a better term, was created as a secular response to the Good News Club. In other words, the Young Skeptics group uses public schools during off hours to teach the children of secular parents critical and rational thinking as opposed to, religious dogma, myths, and pseudoscience. Dan has also been mentioned in various articles and columns here on the web. Again, I'll leave links to those below as well in the description box. He has also given lectures and presentations, and he often also debates theists. As a matter of fact, he has also, like you, had the misfortune of having to deal with the insanity and the butchering of logic by Psi 10, or as I like to call him, based on the weight of his arguments, Psi 0. I have left some links below and at the end of this video that will give you more information about Dan. I personally think he'd be a really good guest for your show. Just throwing it out there. So please check out his channel, his videos, some of the links I left here, and I hope you get him on your show.